Good morning, everyone. How are you? Greetings from my morning walk where I was contemplating the day's menu, and I recalled last night having soaked some chia seeds in a can of coconut milk. Now, go to any cafe along any beach stretch in Australia at the moment, and you will probably see acai bowl and chia puddings on the menu. So the thing when you make things at home, you know they're exactly the ingredients that are going in it to fuel your body for the day. So I just wanted to show you all, for those of you that may never have made a chia pudding before, how easy it is. And you do it the night before so that the next day, whether it's for breakfast or a healthier snack alternative, you've got it ready to go. So last night, all I got my little bowl, and into it I upended a can, so a 400 ml can of coconut milk. Now you can use low fat, light, skim, trim, whatever you want. So 400 mils of coconut milk into a bowl. Now to that, what you want to add is simply a quarter cup of chia seeds. Now, interesting thing, chia seeds, you know, plant-based, fiber, and they have the same amount, a quarter cup of chia seeds, same amount of protein as a little cookie egg. So, you know, quite good for you really, as well, you know, along with a balanced diet, as all things are. So into your bowl, you put your coconut milk, a can of coconut milk, and then you just rinse it out and put it in your recycle bin. And then you put a quarter cup of chia seeds. And then you just stir it. So I had a fork and I just whisked like this, just because what you want to do, you'll see when those chia seeds hit moisture or liquid, they're going to sort of all clump together. So you've got to whisk with the fork to make sure that they kind of are spread apart, so that the you know, they get the actual ability to absorb the liquid that they're in. And what happens when you soak overnight? Now what I did, I just want to show you this. What I did as well, I added a tablespoon of honey. Now that's just to sweeten, okay? So I know it's carbs as well, but it's just, you don't have to do it. You could do a little bit of vanilla extract if you wanted, or you could do a little bit of agave nectar, or rice malt syrup, whatever you wanted. You could also add in one of the, well, I'll get to what you can add in a second, but I did that. So my 3 ingredients so far, for those of you that are joining us for our really simple little chia pudding, my can of milk, coconut milk, my quarter cup of chia seeds, dietary fiber, protein, little chia seeds, and also 1 tablespoon of honey, okay? And then I just whisked it, and then I put it in my fridge, and then this morning, this is the consistency of my pudding. So see how those the chia seeds in the liquid, the gelatinous chia seed, has plumped up and made this pudding really quite thick. So to serve this, I've got 2 little bowls here. To serve this, I'm just going to pour my chia pudding into there. And then I'm going to do the same over here. And I'm going to top it with some beautiful fresh mango for my 4th ingredient. So this will make 3. Let me just get that. I'm going to switch my finger, and I just want to clean. I just saw some went down the side there and some went down the side there. And then my mango. So hello to everyone joining us. How are you all? You're all on your morning walk like me. It's so sticky out there, my gosh, it's so warm. But you know, new year, you got to kick it off right, haven't you? So here I am, no makeup, just the sweat of the morning walk. It's so balmy up here in Queensland, but I'm just making a beautiful little chia pudding. It's light, it's nice, and it's super simple. You don't even have to turn on an oven warming up your home. So my mango, the typical Aussie way of carving up your mango, you just cut it down and then turn it, cut it across again, open it up like a beautiful flower. This is my boy's all-time favorite fruit. And then I'm just gonna cut it straight onto the top of the chia pudding. Whoops, there we are. And that is, thanks to our friends at IGA, chia seeds are on sale this week. You can get your milk, coconut milk at any IGA store in the country, and mangoes are in season and on sale as we speak. Plentiful. And then if I was serving that up for someone for brekkie, I would go out to my garden like I did, and I would have a look at what little flowers I've got. Got a beautiful little frangipani and some little geraniums, and I'm just going to stud this with a little geranium. And there you are. That is my super simple, really easy, no turn on an oven chia pudding. So don't pay $10 for it at your local cafe. Go home and make it yourself. They're so easy. So, and a little variation of that recipe is in a cookbook called 4 Ingredients Healthy Diet. I just want to turn it around for you. So see this little one here, chopped chia puddings. So all I've done, I have added, rather than the mango, I've just stirred through some raw cacao powder to give it that really nice sort of chocolate feel as well. And you can see how plump the chia seeds react to the liquid, because see how the fruit's just sitting perfectly on top? It's not sinking down into the mixture. So that's your beautiful little chopped chia pudding. So 4 ingredients. Oh, that's my phone. Oh, it's my best friend. I'll call you back. Call you back. Bye. God bless her. You can see that. So this is a healthy diet. Just think of no processed carbohydrates. Everything's really kind of fresh. And I just think it says here, let the food you eat nourish you forever. Eat healthy, think healthy, and live healthy. And you know what? Don't worry. I'm going out for dinner tonight with a girlfriend and totally going to order the homemade veal ravioli. So carb overload. But it's all about a balance, isn't it? Be good 80% of the time so you can be bad 20% of the time. You still got to live life, but you know, when you can make things at home, home is your healthiest restaurant bar none. If you are eating at home 80% of the time, you know exactly the ingredients that are going in to fuel your body and that of your family. So there is my super simple little chia pudding, and I'll just show you as well. Ooh, one little row piece of mango. I've just sliced my mango. You could do a really beautiful on iga.com.au. Head on over there as well, because the mango chia pudding there, we've made a beautiful little mango mint salsa. So you just carve up your mango, add some fresh mint, mix it all together, and that's what you use as your topping. So it's really yummy as well. Mango and mint go beautifully. Same pineapple and mint. You know, pineapples are plentiful at the moment. Those acid-free pineapples are just so flavorful. So, you know, grab yourself a pineapple, put a little bit of mint on it, and use that to top your chia pudding with. But I'll take a little picky of this, and I will post it at the top of this post afterwards. But there you are. There's our beautiful little mango chia puddings made with 4 simple ingredients, and ingredients that are all naturally occurring ingredients. They're going to be much better for you on your little digestive system. So the recipe, out of 4 ingredients, healthy diet, and pop into any little IGA store. All the ingredients are there, mostly on sale and in season. We like on sale and in season because the top saves time and money in the kitchen. But hello to everyone. Amanda Hooper, good morning. Kim, good morning, Amanda. Linny Hughes, hello to you. Ma Abby, hello. Brenda Bolter, hello to you, darling. Hope you returned home safely after New Year's Eve. Denise Jong Ward, good morning. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And look at everyone coming in from all over Australia. Isn't that fantastic? Bustleton, WA, Barb Shannon, hello. Kim, Karen Pilecki, hello, and Happy New Year to you, love. Hope 2019 is good for all of you, for all of us, that you know what? Life is reflective of the energy put into it, isn't it? So it's like your diet, it's like your family, you know, it's reflective of what we give to it. So Jenny Wright, good morning to you. Janet Crafts, hi Kim from Tauranga. Oh, Janet, I love Tauranga. When I lived in London in 1990, 29 years ago, I shared a room with 2 amazing girls from Tauranga who are still in my life today. So yeah, bless. Maureen Matthews, good morning. Majorie Metcalf, well, hello to you from Flaxton. Oh my God, Majorie, I love that French restaurant up in Flaxton. Oh, here I'm saying eat at home. But every now and then we got to treat ourselves. And when you do, make sure you go somewhere really nice. So hello, Mel Phillips. How are you, darling? Louise Mitchell, hello, or Lois Mitchell. Tammy Pope, hi from South Yundara. Well, I know you're from WA because anything ending in up means it's near water. I remember learning that over when I was there last. Kelly Taylor, good morning. Good morning, Kel. Ariel Kelly, you look great, Kim. Oh, do I? Oh, God bless you. My hot, sweaty face after my morning walk. Joe Morgan, hello, Joey, all the way from Riverland in South Australia. Joe, have you ever made a chia pudding? Who here has ever made a chia pudding? Be interesting to know. They're on every healthy cafe's menu these days, but here's one that you can make yourself at home and super, super simple. So that's my doorbell. I just had 6 13-year-old boys sleep here for 2 nights, so that's the last one to be picked up. So I best go and greet the mother to say how wonderful they were. But that's probably why I went on my walk this morning, to clear the fogginess that was in my brain. But beautiful people, wherever you are around Australia, around the world, have a fabulous day. Healthy mango chia puddings made at home, 4 simple ingredients. You can get them at your local IGAs. You know, cheap, cheerful, in season and on sale. Exactly how we like it in the 4 ingredients kitchen. So I'll see you over the next couple of days. No doubt I'll be making something, I don't know, super simple, super easy. And I'll join Facebook Lives to show you how it's all done. Well, have a great day, lovely people. See you soon. Enjoy your chia puddings. So simple. Bye.